Hi, Dr. Stephenson with a quick tip on how to organize the 3 external URLs that you're allowed on an exam, and then how to set them up real quickly right as you go for the exam. First of all, you're going to want to open Chrome, right-click on the menu bar, and put Add Folder. And name the folder something you're going to remember, such as 1305 Exam. Of course, you can grab this folder and drag it anywhere in the bar that's convenient for you. Now what you want to do is populate this folder with the 3 URLs. To do that, navigate to the DrStephenson.com website, or if you don't have a shortcut, then just go to the normal Blackboard site. And on the landing page, if you scroll down, you'll recall I have a link to the companion website. Click that. And then click Exam Info, and the 3 websites that you want are right there in the top section. To Intro Chem 1305 cheat sheet, right click and put Open in New Tab. The Online Calculator, right click, Open in New Tab. Unlock Support, right click, Open in New Tab. You're now done with that website. Click and drag this icon to the left of the URL, right over the box. You're done. Now the calculator one, click the icon, drag it over the folder. You're done. And now Unlock Support, click that and drag it over the folder, and you're done. If you click the folder, you will see all 3 of the URLs you're allowed to use on your exam in one folder. Now it's time to take your exam. Let me show you how easy setup is at this point. You merely navigate on the website to the folder that has the exam. And then you come to your folder that you just made, you right click and put Open All 3. At this point, you've got all 3 folders and your exam, you're ready to take the exam. Hope that helps.